Test drive the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, navigation system, Sirius satellite radio, ventilated front seats, trip computer, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.